Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. At this time we're ditching the mundane and delving into the delightful world of garden fence design. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Trust me, darlings, a fence isn't just a boring boundary, it's an opportunity to sculpt your outdoor haven, a chance to express your inner landscape architect, and, yes, even wow your neighbors silly. First, let's dispel the myth. Garden fence design isn't about confinement, it's about curation. It's about carving out your own verdant escape, framing your horticultural masterpiece, and inviting in elements of whimsy and wonder. But before we get lost in a kaleidoscope of trellis and topiary, let's tackle those practicalities you crave. Best fencing for garden grandeur. While affordability is admirable, it's not the only factor. Let's explore some fence options that excel in function and form. First, wrought iron. Nothing says classic sophistication like a well-wrought iron fence. Picture ivy-clad curves whispering tales of romance. Second, natural stone. For a touch of timeless elegance, nothing beats the earthy beauty of a well-laid stone wall. Picture sun-dappled afternoons spent amidst Mediterranean charm. Third, living fences. Imagine fragrant hedges of lavender or sculpted boxwood, creating a verdant wall that's both practical and enchanting. Building a budget-friendly fence masterpiece. While budget-friendly options abound, sometimes a touch of luxury calls. For those with a bit more to spend, consider. First, bricks and mortar, classic, sturdy, and surprisingly affordable if you DIY. Picture a cozy English cottage garden nestled behind a brick embrace. Second, recycled materials. Get creative with old doors, shutters, or even bike wheels. Sustainability meets quirky charm, and your wallet will thank you. Third, concrete blocks. Simple, sleek, and surprisingly adaptable. Think modern minimalism with pops of vibrant planters for a touch of personality. Cheapest fencing for your budget-conscious garden. Now, onto the nitty-gritty. Let's address the elephant in the garden, the one with the hefty price tag, cost. Fear not, budget-conscious friends, for there's a fence for every pocketbook. First, wire mesh, affordable, versatile, and surprisingly chic when adorned with climbing vines. Think rustic elegance for pennies. Second, pallet wood, eco-friendly, unique, and with a touch of DIY charm. Just remember to weatherproof before your masterpiece becomes compost. Third, bamboo, fast-growing, sustainable, and with an undeniable zen vibe. Plus, those panda-proof stalks can handle curious pups with ease. Now, onto the fun part, transforming your fence into a work of art. Here these the top 10 garden fence design ideas to steal the show. 1. The textured tapestry. Layer different fence materials, wood, metal, mesh for a captivating play of light and shadow. 2. The unexpected canvas. Turn your fence into a living mural with climbing vines, flowering shrubs, and cascading blooms. 3. The fairy tale gateway. Embrace whimsical charm with arched doorways, trellised walkways, and hidden garden nooks. 4. The illuminated oasis. String fairy lights, lanterns, or solar-powered lamps for a magical glow after dusk. 5. The feathered retreat. Attract feathered friends with bird feeders, nesting boxes, and colorful birdhouses. 6. The vertical herb haven. Transform your fence into a culinary oasis with hanging planter pockets or tiered herb shelves. 7. The crafty canvas. Unleash your inner artist. Paint murals, stencil patterns, or hang wind chimes for a touch of personalized flair. 8. The recycled runway. Repurpose vintage bottles, teacups, or even bicycle wheels for unique and eye-catching fence art. 9. The multifunctional marvel. Integrate planters, benches, or even outdoor movie screens into your fence design for ultimate garden utilization. 10. The seasonal showcase. Swap out decorations, string lights, and plants throughout the year to keep your garden fence ever evolving. Remember, creativity knows no bounds. Let your imagination run wild, embrace the unexpected, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Your garden fence is your canvas, so paint it with passion and personality. Now, Homes Decor Designs fam, I want to hear from you. What fence designs have captured your heart? Share your tips, tricks, and garden fence fantasies in the comments below. Let's make fence-tastic magic happen together. Subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more garden inspiration, DIY projects, and expert tips to transform your outdoor space into an oasis of joy. Hit that notification bell, because you won't want to miss a single episode. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of garden fence design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.